Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to register a business name in Virginia. So let's get started. First, choose a name. Pick a name that fits your brand and follows Virginia rules. It must include limited liability company or LLC and be unique. Then check name availability using the State Corporation Commission's online system. You can then appoint a registered agent. Your LLC needs a registered agent with a physical Virginia address who is available during business hours. This can be you, someone you know, or a professional service. Then file articles for organization. You just have to submit your formation paperwork online by mail or in person using Form LLC 1011. The filing fee is $100. If you are a foreigner LLC, file Form LLC 1052 instead. Then create an operating agreement. This is not required by law, but it is very important. It explains ownership, roles, management, and voting rights. Bank also often ask for it. Then get an EIN, apply for a free employer identification number on the IRS website. You will need it to open a business bank account or hire employees. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this.